How's it going, everybody? It is a cold night out here on the farm tonight. Just unrolling some hay. You can see we got the unroller here. This is down at the end where I kind of just built that little platform to unroll some round bales to feed them to the cows. I built this door and put it on a slider rail. So there's the cows right there, but it's cold, so we're going to keep it shut until I have to go in. Anyway, this isn't about feeding hay. This is the final video for wrapping up high moisture corn, wrapping up corn harvest, because we didn't sell any corn this year. So wrapping up corn, and yeah, this video was shot over a couple days. We had my son and yeah, he had a buddy over, our neighbor Sadie, that comes and helps out a lot. She shows cows with us and helps out in hay sometimes. Phenomenal field hockey player. Her cousin Jansen came down. So Jansen says he watches my videos and he wanted to do some filming. So I gave him the camera and we went up. It was a cold day. I'm in my Carhartts. Went up and opened up the field. Once the field was opened up, I lost my camera crew. The boys decided they wanted to go explore, so I turned them loose in the field and let them go be boys and run around and, you know, explore the field and everything and all the surrounding areas while we were getting the field opened up. So the second day it started off, you know, pretty decent. I was in my just a long sleeve base layer and shirt until the sun started going down. Then I had to throw the sweatshirt on, but it was pretty nice after that. Now it's just flat out cold, but this video is kind of over a couple days. So this is it. This is wrapping up harvest. I said a couple videos ago that I think I'm going to say it at the end of this video. I'll do a video kind of going over corn, soybeans, oats, everything that we combined and sold, and well, combined sold or combined and put in the silos, and just kind of do a brief overview on how everything went. So that'll be an upcoming video, but here is the final video, wrapping up corn harvest. I hope you guys enjoy. Side of them and you can get a side shot.
Yeah.
You can do a side shot of the, but let me wait till he's got to go around this curve. Let's wait till he's going straight again.
Yeah, so probably pause this real quick.
You can just shut it off. Got the grain cart saved up there, left up there for him. I'm gonna go grab the red truck and head up. Hopefully get this field all cleaned up today before the bad weather. Take long to get this little truck loaded. Got some cab corn. that's a wrap. That's it for high moisture corn. That's it for corn harvest. Oh, gotta go through the combine now, clean it up, get it ready to put away for the winter. All that fun stuff. Yeah, corn did good this year. I'll do a video kind of recap of all the crops this year. We combined oats, soybean, and corn. We'll kind of go through all that and see how we did and kind of all that fun stuff. But we're getting some bad weather tonight, so got to get this back, get this unloaded quick, and close up the silo, and then start feeding cows before it gets too late in the night. So anyway, thumbs up if you like this video. Drop me a question or comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thumbs up to you. I totally appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good one, everybody.